people, but let's get right to it. Let's talk about wolf plates.
Wolf plates for my dinner, and wolf plates for my lunch, wolf plates for my breakfast, and wolf plates for my brunch. Everybody's talking about wolf plates.